Things you will learn when doing mathematics. Solid of revolution.
So we've seen that the volume of a cone is given by this formula. Solid of revolution allows you to understand where this formula comes from. So start out with a straight line. The equation of this straight line is y equals r over h x. So now you're moving along like this. So the volume is given by the integral from 0 to h, You're moving in the x direction, so it's going to be something dx. And each step of the way, let's say x is currently here, you need to know the height and then pi r square it. That will then give you the disk. So for any given x, let's say x is here, you need to know the height and then quickly pi r square it. That will then give you the area of the disk. And you're summing up all the disks. Eventually, it will trace out a cone. So the idea here is you need to get for any given x, you need to know the height. The height is given by this. So the height is rx over h, that's the height. And then pi, the radius squared, will give you the area of the disk. And the integral sums up all the disks. So so the volume is given by this thing here. Tidy this up, it will then give you this. And then x is the variable. Everything else is a constant. So this whole thing here is a constant. This whole thing here is a constant. So drag it out. So it looks like this. So now it's just a matter of you integrating x squared. Integrate x squared, that will then give you this. And then put the h into here. And take away 0 and then put the 0 into here. Well, you will be shown how to do this integral thing in the future. But when you evaluate this whole thing, it will give you this. And then the h squared will cancel each other out, giving you this. So the volume of a cone is given by this, which is exactly the same as this. Okay?